Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can share a Google Docs document anonymously. So let's say you have an interesting piece of information that you want to share to the public, but you don't want yourself to be tracked or identified from the document that you are sharing. So the only way to do that is really by creating a new Google account or fake Google account that's basically not related to your main Google account. You can give it a different name, or you can give it a different profile picture or different information. Basically try to not put anything about you in that account. And I highly recommend to actually use a new SIM card or a new number to register that account. And perhaps you might want to go the extra mile by using VPN. That could help as well. And then only after that you can create a document with Google Docs. And after that you can share the document to the public. So here I'm going to share this document by going to this button. Okay, it should open the share window. Okay, now the general access should be anyone with the link. Okay, just wait. Now we have the public link that we can share the document with anyone. I'm going to open this link on a new incognito window just to demonstrate what it's going to look like when the public see the document. Right, now it's a normal Google Docs page, but of course they don't have any access. They cannot edit the document, they can only see it. However, you can still see that yes, there is a name here. It's the original owner of the document. So when you're editing the document, some people that happen to see the document can still see what you're working on, and of course your Google's account name. Even though it wasn't your real name, it is still somewhat identifiable. So this is not exactly anonymous. However, there is another alternative. So let me close this window and change the setting back to restricted. Right, now the next thing, the other method that you can try is by sharing the document to the public with the web. But you don't have to use any website because Google Docs allows you to convert the document into a web page. So click on the file menu, navigate to share and select publish to web. After that, you can publish the document right away. Click publish and click OK. You will get the public link of that document. Let me copy this document link and let's open another incognito window. Let's visit the page and you should see the document on the web version. So this is pretty much way more anonymous compared to the previous sharing method, because now there is no profile picture, there is no name, there is nothing known about your Google account, but the Google account that is used to share this document. And interestingly, you can still work on the document and the update would appear every 5 minutes. So the viewer should be able to see the latest version of the document. So that's the second way you can create a anonymous, or you want to share an anonymous document to the public with Google Docs. And when you're done sharing the document, you can always revert it back to the private mode. You can click stop publishing here and the document will go back to the private version and that link will no longer work. So yeah, that's basically how you can share your document with Google Docs publicly but stay anonymous. I hope you find this video helpful and I'll see you in the next video.